Welcome back, everybody. You know, with every new year comes new restaurant openings, and boy, 2021 is no different. 6 new establishments, 2 relocations, 1 reopening, 1 new food trailer, and a partridge in a pear tree. No, all of this is happening this year, and George Mahe, dining editor of St. Louis Magazine, somehow keeps up with all of it. He joins us now to tell us about these most anticipated restaurants in 2021. George, first of all, I hope you're doing okay. Everybody all right in your house?
Yeah, doing great. Working from home, not going out as much, obviously, as I used to, but there's still plenty of stories out there, plenty of places opening, closing, coming soons. And this was a huge article that we wrote, the 10 most anticipated restaurants of 2021. Do it every year, and I thought, oh my gosh, going into 2021, what do we got coming? And it's actually a pretty good lineup.
What should we really be looking for in 2021?
Well, first off, I think is Tony's. I mean, Tony's, if you remember, it hasn't even been open since March.
Yeah.
And they said, we're not going to open until we can reopen in Clayton. And that was supposed to happen last month. It's happening this month in the Centene building. It's on 2 levels. There's a restaurant on the lower level, and there's a very large Anthony's bar upstairs. Plus, they've got this huge patio that's got a louvered roof and walls that drop down, too. Tony's never had a patio before. This will be a big deal. That's going to be a huge opening, and that's supposed to happen about mid-month.
Okay, and then Casa Don Alfonso, what's up there?
Right, that's right up the way. That's right at the Ritz-Carlton, a couple hundred yards from where Tony's is going to be. And a spectacular, another Italian restaurant, very light, very bright, a little more casual maybe than the past restaurants at the Ritz. It's an Italian family that doesn't have a restaurant in the States right now. They're coming over here to do this one. And it's I've seen the space. It's spectacular. It's got its own entrance, so you don't even have to go into the hotel to go into the restaurant.
Yeah, tell me about Beets Bones.
How about that? Is that a great name? Or
I
what?
love it.
Beets Bones is a juicery, if you will. So they have fresh squeezed juices that come in these cute little bottles, but they also have bone broths, and that's kind of become a thing in the last couple of years. Bone broths are the health benefits are there. So they've got these 2 items, plus they've got some really good food items. There's an executive chef at this place. One of the owners is Nick Zotos. That name should be familiar. And also they're going to have an executive pastry chef. So here's a juice bar with an executive chef and a pastry chef. I haven't seen that anywhere.
I'm going to tell everybody where they can get the full article, because we didn't even talk about Uncle Julio's and 801 Grill and Max Local Eats and what's going on at the City Foundry. So the newest edition of St. Louis Magazine on newsstands right now. Go pick up a copy. And we're also going to post this segment along with a link to the article on KMOV.com/greatday right after the show. Thanks, George.